Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut metal pipes using angle grinder. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, the very first thing when you do any such work, it's very important to have protection, because when you use a grinder uh, like saw, what it does, it generates a lot of particles, and especially with metal it's even too much. So none of this should fall into your naked eye, otherwise there could be catastrophic disaster. So protect your eyes, protect your legs, hand, everything. Another rule of doing it perfectly or with finishing is, like, you should have it held firmly at its place, okay? Because it generates a lot of vibration also, and if you do not control the vibration, it will like get disarrayed from its trajectory, okay? Then for your angle grinder, you should have a suitable blade that is for metal, okay? Now in your actual place, workshop, you should have clamps where you can hold it nicely so that you can cut it in a proper way. Otherwise, if you don't make it steady, it's gonna disarray. This is just my garage and not my workshop, that's why I don't have that here, but still I'll try to cut it as perfect as I can. So make sure you watch it till the end. So first of all, find a trajectory where you want. So start, begin slowly, and then inch. You have to hold it steady, because I'm holding the camera, that's why it's not. But yeah, get the logic. It should be steady, this pipe, and then slowly push towards it. As you can see, dents have already started coming. So if you follow the trajectory, soon then it will be cut. So finally I was able to make the cut by steadying. So again, the rule is it should be steady, and it generates a lot of noise too. So you should have your ears covered too if you are not familiar with holding the large amount of noise. So that is how it can be done, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.